If you want to add an affiliate link to your GoDaddy website builder, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple, beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know how to place a button on your site, turn it into a website URL link, and publish it so visitors can click through to your affiliate offer. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Once you're inside, go to the top right corner and click your profile name. From the drop-down menu, choose My Products. This is where all of your GoDaddy services and websites are listed. Next, look under Websites and Marketing and click Manage next to the website you want to edit. This will open your site dashboard. From there, click Edit Website or Edit Site to launch the website editor. Now that you're in the editor, you can start adding your affiliate link in a clean and professional way. The easiest method is to use a button. To do that, click Add Section. GoDaddy will show you different section options that you can place on your page. In the search bar, type Buttons. This helps you quickly find the Buttons section without scrolling through every layout. Once the button options appear, select the button layout that best fits your page design. After you add the button section, click on that button area so the settings panel appears on the right side of the screen. This right panel is where you can customize exactly what the button does. Now select your button menu and change the button type to Website URL. This is the key step because it tells GoDaddy that the button should send visitors to an external link instead of another page on your site. After that, paste in your affiliate link into the link field. Make sure the URL is correct and complete, including the full HTTPS address if needed. Double-check your affiliate link before saving because one small typo can send people to the wrong page. Once the link is entered, press Done. At this point, your button is connected to your affiliate offer. Before publishing, it's a good idea to preview the page first. Preview lets you see how the button looks on desktop and mobile, and it gives you a chance to make sure everything is placed properly. Click through the button in preview mode to confirm that the affiliate link opens correctly. If everything looks good, go ahead and publish your site. Publishing makes the changes live so your visitors can start clicking your affiliate button right away. And that's it. You've now added an affiliate link to your GoDaddy website builder using a button and a website URL. This is one of the simplest ways to promote affiliate offers on a website without needing any coding. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.